Welcome back guys, this is Fash, and in this tutorial we want to dive into our control structure in Python. So we are going to start with conditional statement. So what is conditional statement? There are many times where you want to run your code based on some certain condition. When you want to write your Python program based on some certain condition, if you are doing this, that means you are going to be needing conditional statement. And we have basically three. We have the if, we have the if, the elif, and the else. So let's see how we can actually do this without no further ado. All right, so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new cell, and I'm going to say, so now this thing, don't forget that we did the comparison operator, the logical operator, and the conditional, the assignment operator. This is when you will be needing them most. All right, so what I'm going to do is that let me write some couple of codes. So you have x to be equals to 3, and I say if x is greater than 2, and I put this code. So there's what you call indenting. Always ensure that you indent in what Python. If you don't indent your Python, you might not be able to run your code. Your code might not really run. So you can see this if with the condition. This is the condition we are talking about, and the statement. So the statement should be indented. You can see it's not actually coming from this side. We shift it with the tab. All right, so let's see what's going to happen. Is x really equals to 3? And define. So if x is greater than 2, is x greater than 2? That means this condition is true, that x is greater than 2. So this code will run. So if this condition is not true, that means this code will not run. All right, so let's run it first. Okay, fine. So I'm running it. So you can see x is greater than 2. So what of if we copy this code and probably paste it in there? All right, or probably we write another code, or with the same code but different value. Say x is equals to 10 and x is less than 5. X is not less than 5. That means this code will not run. The code is going to be blank, you can see, because the condition is not met. So how can you really undo this? Many times if the condition is not met, there should be a display message that tells you that the condition is not met. So this is why else now comes in. So the if will display if the condition is met, and if the condition is not met, that means we need to use else to tell the program that the condition is not met. Okay, let's see how we can write a code on this. Okay, you can see x is equals to 10, and if x is less than 5, which x is not less than 5 because x is equals to 10, then if this condition is not met, you should display the condition is not met. All right, let's run the code and let's see what's happened. You can see it display that the condition is not met. So now what if you want to have multiple conditions? You want to have more than one condition. When we're having condition, it is always in bracket, open and close bracket, and the condition is inside. What if you want to have one condition, another condition, another condition, like another condition before you have your else statement? So, and that is exactly what we want to do right now. So we are writing a code that are going to have more than one condition, and that is where elif comes in. Okay, let's try some code. Okay, so you can see we have y to be equal to 34. Is y less than 10? No, but we want to know whether y is in between 10 and 30, which is also no. So if these two conditions is not met, there should be another condition that will display. So this elif is how to write another condition. So you can have more than one elif in a statement. So this one is if. You can have one elif, another elif before you have your else. But this is where we're actually going to stop. So that is the concept of elif. Elif is when you want to have more than one condition in your code. So let's run it. Let's figure it out. You can see y is greater than 30. So that means the first condition is not met, the second condition is not met. So this last condition is what really met. So, and that is why we are having this in there. So it's pretty easy. So now you successfully understand the concept of what conditional statement, that is the else, the if, the else, and the elif. You can see decision making in Python is done by using if, elif, and else. So in the next tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to use the how to use the while, the looping. How to use the looping, which is for the for and while. So because many a times you might want to write a program that program is going to be occurring like executing consistently, and you want to hit probably stop, you want it to continue, or you want to display something when a particular condition is met, and that is why we really need the looping in Python. All right, until then, see you in the next one. Bye.